Okay, the Stream Deck Plus, what you see here, so this is the Stream Deck software. Once you plug in your Stream Deck, if you don't already have the Stream Deck software installed, download that and install it from the Elgato website, and it'll pick up this no problem. If you already have a Stream Deck, like a 15 key or the XL or even the Stream Deck Mini, as soon as you connect this, it's going to recognize it right off the bat. You may have to do a quick update to get the Stream Deck Plus software, and to do that, you just click the little cog there, go here, check for updates. Mine's already up to date. Okay, so you have here, you have your 8 buttons up top here. These work just like the Stream Deck buttons. So you can put all your commands or whatever you want in these just like you do your regular Stream Deck. These down here, these 4 round circles, these represent the 4 dials on the Stream Deck Plus. And these are for controlling your different audio settings. Now, once you have this screen here, a couple things you're going to want to do. A, check for an update. B, you're going to want to download at least one other plugin. One plugin is going to be this one down here. It's called the Volume Controller. And to download that, you go to up here, the little keyboard, click on it, and when that comes up in the search box here, just type Volume Controller, and you'll see it right there, Volume Controller by Elgato. If it's not installed, just click, this will show install, just click that, let it install, no problem. Now, once that's installed, we're going to expand it, and you'll see there's 2 settings here. One is auto detection, the other one's manual detection. So with manual, you can go in and say which thing you want it to control. With auto detection, click that, click and hold, drag it up to one of these buttons, and let go. So you'll get this, show apps, all or active only. I choose all. Now you can reset the icon here just by clicking on this, set from file, create a new icon, or get one from the Stream Deck icon library, but we can do that after. So we're going to click on this, and then what you're going to want to do is on your actual Stream Deck Plus, you're going to actually push this button up here. And there you go. So this has everything I've got running. Now I'm going to turn on my YouTube just to my YouTube music. I'm going to turn it down. And you'll notice as soon as I did that, this X and this arrow right here. So on your Stream Deck, if you click on, push that arrow button, you'll see now I have more settings. So my YouTube music, this will be what my volume is going into my headset. My game audio, which is this third dial over here. Right now I don't have a game going, so no problem. It's not going to find any games. And then if you click the arrow here on your Stream Deck, clicking up here doesn't really do anything. You want to actually click it on the Stream Deck to bring it back. So my system, you can see, I'm going to pause my music because I don't want any music on here. So you can see my system shows that it's muted with the X. You can unmute that by, on your PC. You can click on the dial. That unmutes it. Or you can actually, this blue screen here on your Stream Deck, this is a touch screen. And you can just touch it and mute it. Easy as that. So it recognizes my OBS, so all of my alerts and everything that go through stream go through OBS. So my Mix It Up box goes through OBS. So this dial here, if I turn it, you'll see it's moving up and down. And this is what goes out to my stream. My game audio is what goes out to my stream. Now it's turning red because I've got no sound on there. And my Opera browser, same thing. I've got nothing playing through there, so there's no actual audio going there. Now you don't touch these because these are connected to your dials. And it's pretty much that easy for setting everything up. You'll also notice right now there's no mic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another page. And if I go over here to this dial here and right click, create dial stack, I'm going to go to OBS Studio over here on the right. So I want to add my mic. We're just going to click and drag audio mixer volume right into here. And then down here where it says source, I'm going to click on that and click on my boom mic. And then we'll just click up here. And now you'll notice my boom mic, I can turn it up, turn it down, and you'll notice these go here as well. And that's what controls my mic volume out to my stream. And if I click here and click on this, you can set this for if you want it to go by 1s, 2s, or 5s. I keep it at 1, so every time I turn it's going to go an increment of 1, up or down. And that is the easy setup for your Stream Deck Plus. And you can tweak it and add things and take away things and whatnot, but for the most part, this is all you need to do. Now there is Elgato Wave software, which works like GoXLR software, and there's routing and whatnot. You don't actually need that to use the Stream Deck Plus. It does add enhancements, but it can be very confusing. I choose to run my Stream Deck Plus just with what comes with the Stream Deck and the Elgato software and plugins for the Stream Deck. So there you have it, folks. Very quick and straightforward tutorial on how to set up the Stream Deck Plus basic settings. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful, please subscribe and don't forget to click on notifications to be notified the next time I upload a tutorial. Thank you and have yourselves a great day.